What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to another TTG makeup tutorial. My name's Caleb Mayer, aka the Theatre Guy, and in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to achieve the vampire makeup look Ed Sheeran had in the music video of his new song, Bad Habits. Enjoy. Okay, you guys, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take our foundation that best matches our own skin tone, and we're just going to apply that to our face where needed, cover up any blemishes or pimples or scars that we might have. Obviously, if you've already got very smooth skin, this is not necessary, but I just like to do it because I don't have the smoothest skin in the world, and of course it makes your skin look smoother, which is better. So next thing, we're going to take our regular baby powder and just a makeup brush. I'm just going to dust that all over our face just to give our skin a more pale look and also just to seal the foundation in. As you can see, my skin is already starting to look paler here. It should look like this once you're done. Next, you guys are going to take this pale pink color from your makeup palette and just rub a little bit on the top and bottom of your lips. You guys can also put on some lip balm before you do this, just to make it easier when you're taking it off. Also use a dash of this red color here and there just to fix the complexion of your lips and to make it that pale vampire-y color. Next, we're just going to take some regular black mascara and apply it to the top and bottom of our lashes. You can go a little thicker on the top if you want to. Some people do have naturally darker eyelashes, so some of you won't even need to do this. As I said, it's totally optional. It's basically just meant to accentuate the eyes a little bit more. Next, we're going to take a plain black eye pencil and we're just going to draw a border around our eyes where the makeup's going to be, as well as along the bridge of our nose, just to make our nose sharper. It's not going to be a perfect circle around your eye, so just follow the pattern that I'm doing here. I'm also using this picture of Ed Sheeran from his actual music video as a guide, so I'll link that in the description below so you guys can also follow along with me. Then once you guys have drawn the border around your eyes, as well as shaded the bridge of your nose, you can take your pointer finger and blend it in with your skin. Just so you got a light border around your eyes and so that your nose is shaded in and looks sharper, just like so. Next, we're going to take this sort of swampy green color as well as the blue, and we're just going to combine it to make this sort of bluish green color it has all around his eyes. Obviously, if you've got this color already, you can just use that, but if you don't, you could also just mix these two colors together. Just remember to mix a little bit by little bit so it's not too dominant. I decided here to start with the blue, but it doesn't really matter. You could also start with the green and then add blue, or blue and then green, as I'm doing. But ultimately it doesn't really matter. What matters is the way you blend it and how much you blend it. Then after we've added the swampy green, we're going to take this more natural grassy green color and just go over everything we've done so far. Remember to blend as you go, just so there's not too much of one particular color in a certain place. Obviously the shaded look he achieved was mostly done due to editing, but we're going to try and recreate it as close as we can without any special effects. Remember to also smudge your makeup up on the sides like I've done. As you can see now, it's already starting to look pretty good. Next, we're going to take this red color and we're just going to slightly dab it on the inside of the rest of the border around our eyes. We want to create this sort of bruised look. Next, we're going to take this purple color. Then you're going to take this royal blue color, and like the red, you're just going to dab it here and there to add to the bruised effect. It should look something like this once you're done. Next, again, we're going to take our black eye pencil and we're just going to draw a small line along the bottom of our lashes, as well as start darkening the inner part of our eyes. Once you've done that, we're going to take our eye pencil and very lightly draw spots all over the bruised part under our eye to create that pitted skin effect. Just make sure your pencil is nice and sharp before you do this. Next, using a combination of this silver color and a very little bit of black, you're going to blend your makeup along the bottom half of the bruised area. Next, you're going to take this brown color and you're going to dab it all over the bruised area of your eyes. Once again, after you've done that, you're going to take your black eye pencil and just very lightly darken the border of your bruised spots. Once you've done that, you can blend it in. If you're using your fingers like me, just be sure to clean your fingers off properly, just so you don't have random blue and purple spots around your face if you're working on a different area. Next, we're going to take the black color on our makeup palette, and now we're going to create that shaded effect on the inner part of our eyes. Okay, so next, using these 4 colors, and starting with this one, we're going to lightly go over our bruised area. Next, using this pink color and a slight little bit of red, we're going to dab that all over our bruise. Next, you're going to take your pinky finger and this gold color and just make very small lines on the inner part of your bruise as well as the inner parts of your eye. And next, once again, we're going to take our black eye pencil and just lightly draw lines from the outside of your nostrils connecting to your lip, then all the way under your chin. Blend it in once you're done so it only makes very slight outlines. Next, we're going to take our baby powder and makeup brush once again, and we're just going to powder our forehead as well as the top of our nose and around our mouth where we've just drawn our border, just to accentuate that part of our face and make that part look a lot paler than the rest. Next, we're going to take our black eye pencil and draw lines from the top of where our ears connect to our head, almost all the way down to our mouth, and then straight down to the chin to create this sort of chiseled cheeks effect. Make sure to blend that in so it just creates a shading effect and it's not too dark. And lastly, once you've done with your cheeks, just going to take a little bit more powder and just accentuate the middle part of your face, your forehead, along the top of your nose, and the inner part of your mouth once again. And there we go, you guys. That's how you achieve Ed Sheeran's vampire makeup look from his new song, Bad Habits. If you guys found this video helpful, please be sure to smash the like button down below and possibly hit subscribe if you're new to the channel. Click here or here if you want to see one of my other videos. Click right around here to subscribe. And until next time, stay awesome, and I'll see you later, guys, in the next video.
My bad habits lead to late nights, sitting alone, conversations with a stranger I barely know.
Bad habits need to I don't know the words to this song. I don't know what words. I just know bad habits need to